Welcome to Peeves, Tips and Tricks. I am Dr. Sherry Bainbridge with Holistic Collaboration. I'm wondering if you're having the same problem that I'm having, and I'm calling it software entrapment. The other day I received an invoice from a company of a software I used years ago in my previous company, and it worked wonderful. Well, last year when I did this software, I had to pay an annual fee, and it simply would not work on my computer, and I tried everything. So I just removed it from my computer. There's no customer service of any kind. None of the phone numbers work. They never answer their emails. In fact, going on to the website and getting into my account was a huge hassle. And in order to get to billing, I had to figure out that it's under, get this, plan. Not account, not billing, but plan. They made it so difficult to get rid of. I couldn't remove my credit card without putting in a working credit card. So I went ahead and I canceled my credit card, going, okay, I've had enough of this. I'm not going to support companies that believe that my being a part of their software, my being a consumer, spending my money with them, and there's no means of contacting them when there's an issue to get resolved. That means I'm just not important at all. Now, what I do know is we have numbers, and if we get together and we refuse to cooperate with companies that are doing this, it will create and cause change. This is a pattern that I've watched go on for decades. Customer service goes up, 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 up. Boom! It goes down, 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 down. Then it goes up, 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 and down, 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 down again. And it's very frustrating. So I went in, I tried to change my profile information because honestly, I'd rather not have all that information. Guess what? I can't do it without a working credit card. When I went in to change the annual payment to no annual payment, there's a window that pops up. And you know what that window says? Will default to previous setting in 5 days. In other words, it seems like I would have to go on every 5 days to remove that setting, or they're going to try to bill me anyway. We really shouldn't have to cancel credit cards and get new numbers in order to deal with these type of companies, but it does seem to be the only way to deal with it. If you are appreciative of this subject, please do a thumbs up, do subscribe, pass this around, and comment as to whether you're finding the same thing. In fact, I couldn't even get onto this site without them sending me a link to be able to get on. And the only thing that comes up is the profile, which I can't change, and the new credit card information. You can't do anything without putting in an active credit card. Well, I'm saying dump the software entrapment, and let's get this resolved and stopped. If you can't support the consumer that's spending their money, then obviously you don't need my money. Have a great week, guys. Divine love. Thank you.